Amaragi weekend, Baba. Amaragi weekend, Jadi. Yawatuga Amaragi, Agini Kani Menu. Amaragi Kani Jaguebu Benu. That we are led today. It's only by your grace, your Father. Thank you. Tell me what you can do without the grace of God. Nothing. We are alive today. Only by the grace of God. We are prosperous by the grace of God.